Hey, what's going on guys? My name is Alex and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to fix the file destination is too large when transferring a 4 GB file or more to your USB flash drive. And before I start, make sure you enable subtitles on my videos to understand better what I say. So yeah, let's start. I'm pretty sure that when you are transferring a 4 GB file or more to your USB flash drive, a few minutes later, this error message will pop up saying the file is too large for the destination file system. And then you may wonder, why does this happen? Because my USB flash drive has lots of free space in it and you can easily take that file. And let me tell you what's the culprit. Right now, it's simply because the USB flash drive has the FAT32 file system, and in order to fix that issue, you will need to change the file system from FAT32 to NTFS. And in this video, this is exactly what I'm going to show you. In this video, I will show you two methods. The first method is going to be by formatting the flash drive, and the second method is going to be using a specific software, which is this one right here. And I will explain right now why you may need a software. So if you have lots of files and folders in your flash drive and you want to do the conversion safely without formatting the flash drive, then head to the second method of this video, which will be using the software, and I will leave a timestamp right now of when I actually use the software. And if you do not have anything in your flash drive like I do right here and you want to format it, then stay right here because I'll show you in a little bit on how to do the format method. Or as I said, if you have files in your flash drive and you want to do the conversion safely without removing or deleting anything, then head to the second method, which I will be using the software. So right now, what you need to do for the first method, simply just right click on the USB flash drive and then click format right here. After that, a window will open up, and here the specific part that we need to look for is going to be the file system right here, and the default one is going to be FAT32 in brackets default, and we will need to change it to the file system NTFS. You may ask, Alex, the NTFS file system is for Windows and all of that. Do not worry, putting an NTFS file system to your flash drive will not break it or anything. But fun fact, you may get better transfer speeds if you set it to NTFS, which may be a huge benefit for you. But yeah, choose the file system NTFS right here. Leave the allocation unit size number to whatever it is, do not change it. Make sure the quick format is checked and then click start. It will say that formatting will erase all data, just click OK to continue, and it will take approximately 10 to 20 seconds to format it. And yeah, as you can see right here, the format has been complete. Click OK. Click close, and if you right click to the flash drive and you click properties, you will see that the file system right here is NTFS, and before the conversion it was FAT32. And yeah, that's pretty much it for the conversion. If you try to transfer the 4 GB file or more to your USB flash drive right now, the error message will not appear anymore, and as I said, you may get better transfer speeds. So for the second method right here, which will be using the software, is, as I said, for those people that have files and photos in their flash drive and they want to do the conversion safely without removing or deleting anything. But before you go and download the software, you will need to download a specific version of the software, because for some reason, in order to use the specific feature that we will use in a little bit, you will need to buy the software, which is a bit ridiculous, but that's why I have the link in the description to download the cracked version of the software right here. Once you head to the description and you click the link that I have there, it's going to take you to the mega.mz website, and this is what you should see right here. Once you're here, click the download now button, and as you can see, it's only 25.3 megabytes, which is not a lot at all. And once the download has been finished, it's going to be downloaded as a .rar file, and in order to get the folder right here, right click on top of the rar folder and click where it says extract here in order to get the folder that I have next to it. After the extraction has been finished, double click to open the folder, and whatever version of the software you have, uninstall it and install this version that it has right here, because I'm pretty sure that if you have the newest version, which is the version 9.2.0, and you use the crack on it, I'm pretty sure it may not work. I'm not sure, I haven't tried it, but to save you some time, just install the specific version that it has right here. After you have installed the software, head back to the same folder right here, and then you need to open the install.cmd file that it has right here. I am not going to crack the software because I have already cracked using this method, of course. And yeah, open the install.cmd. It will take, I think, 1 or 2 minutes, I don't remember. But yeah, after the crack has been finished, it will either say that the crack has been complete or the command prompt will close automatically. Once the crack has been finished, you can safely open the software. Once you're in the software, the specific feature that we'll need to use is going to be in the left side right here. Click where it says All Tools. Then at the bottom, click the one that says NTFS to FAT32 converter. Click that. The software will close and it will open another window. But once this window has opened up, you will need to click the second one that says FAT32 to NTFS, because of course flash drives have, as I said, the FAT32 file system, and we will need to convert it to NTFS. Click the second one, click next, select your flash drive right here, which is this one for me right here. Click next, click proceed. It says, are you sure to execute the conversion operation? Click yes. And this right here will take around 5 to 10 minutes, depending on the size of the flash drive, of course. But yeah, I will see you when the software finishes the conversion. Literally 10 seconds after I said I will see you when the software finishes, it actually finished right here. It says succeed in converting it to NTFS. Of course, it took that fast for me because the flash drive is empty. Whereas for you, it may take way longer because you may have files in it. And yeah, after the conversion has been finished, this is what it says right here. Click OK, click finish, close the software right here, close the software again. And right now, if you try and check the file system, you right click through the flash drive and you click properties, you will see that the file system is NTFS, which means that the software did a great job of converting the file system from FAT32 to NTFS. And yeah, that's everything it. I do not have anything else to show you. And yeah, that's a video, guys. Thanks for watching. If you have any problems, tell me in the comment section, I'll try to help you as much as possible. If you have any video ideas, tell me in the comment section, I'll try to make them in the future. Thanks for watching, guys. Like, subscribe and share, and I'll see you in my next video. See ya!